Hi everyone! I just thought I'd make you a really quick blog tutorial from Weebly to show you how to turn in your 3 photos that you need for the week. Each one will have its own little blog post because it's all in their own little categories. You have your in-class picture, your composition picture, and your theme picture. So I created a new page. You've already created all your pages. This is just the sample page that I created for you guys. So this will be archived in the digital camera area on my Weebly site. So you have kind of a blank template and you want to go to new post and then you'll have a post title. So in your post title you will say what the theme is. So this is just my example, so I'm just going to type in example of post. So I have an image all ready for you guys that I can put in there, and then I'll show you how I do that. I'll even run a little action on it for you really quick so that way it's all ready. So you will need to put in 2 images. You will need to put in a before and an after image. You can do that one of 2 ways. You can obviously just slide an image in, or you could do your gallery as well. If I open up Photoshop, this is all a very familiar image to you. I have already cropped it down. I'm going to run an action on it really quick. I'm going to go into my actions. Because this is my photo, I'm going to do a more creative edit on it. So I'm going to do my if on, which is one of my own actions. It's going to run here really quick. It's doing all of its good stuff, which is a lot. So here's what I have, and I can go into my layers and I can fix those if I want to. I can turn things off or on. I'm actually going to, I just want this effect to be applied here and only on this area. And then I'm going to flatten my image because that's how we save it. Discard. Save as. I'm going to save it as on my desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to name that folder Digital Camera. I'm going to create one more folder in there. I'm just going to say theme. We'll just say it's my theme photo for this week. I'm going to hit save. Oh. Excuse me, I need to rename that into my theme or the date, what have you, because remember we have to have 2, so I don't want to accidentally do that. So I'm just going to do B because that's how I kind of roll with things. Go back up to my history real quick. And that's how it looked before. This is now how it looks after. So after it's saved. So I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to bring up my Weebly site again. And I'm going to add a gallery because I know that that's pretty easy to do. And I'm going to click to upload my galleries. And I believe that image is on my desktop, the original one. So I'm going to open that. And then, of course, I want to add another image. And that's in my digital camera. Theme, B, open. So now I have both of them. I'm going to click on this, and I just want 2 columns, my before and after, so that puts it in really quick. I want my captions on my thumbnails. That's very important. I'm going to do a before. Save. After. Save. And then I need to add in some text. There are 4 questions that you need to answer. The first question is, what did you do to this photo? For example, what actions? Cropping, etc. 2. What do you really like about this photo? 3. What would you change? And 4, how is your photo weighted? Is that the best way to weight your photo? Please explain. Because as you all know, every single one of you weighted this photo a little differently. I will go into some more detail on why I weighted it this way rather than weighting it as a vertical. This is obviously left weighted because it fills up most of the left side. Some people could argue that it's top left weighted because that's where the center of interest is. But it just depends on how you kind of look at it. So those are what you need to do when you're done with this. You want to post it. Your post has been added to your blog page but not as live yet. You need to publish your sites in order for it to go live. You can also always go back in and edit your posts as well. You may want to fill out your author stuff, maybe add some things in here if you like.